Hello kids, welcome to maths class. Today we will learn how to solve word problems based on division of fractions. Students, let's do some word problems based on real life situations, and these problems are based on the fraction and division of the fractions. So first we will learn how to read and find out what is given. Then we will learn how to write it and what is to find. So we will do some selected parts. So let's start with question 2. Rita cut 2 by 3 of a ribbon equally into 6 pieces. Rita was having a ribbon and she cut it into, divided into 6 equal pieces. What fraction of Rita's ribbon is 1 piece? This is the total length of the ribbon. She divided into 6 pieces. So we need the length of 1 piece. So what we will do? Let's see and learn it. Students, as I told you, we must know what is given and what is to find. So what is given? Length of ribbon is given, that is 2 by 3. And how many pieces she made? 6. Number of pieces is equal to 6. Length of 1 piece we have to find. So we will divide this 2 by 3 by 6. So how to divide 2 by 3? This symbol division we will convert into multiplication, and reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6. So here 1 by 6. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So we have 1, 3 into 3. So that is 1 by 9. Therefore, the length of 1 piece of ribbon is 1 by 9. Now question number 4. Mansi did her homework in 3 1 by 5 hours. She spent the same amount of time in each of her 4 subjects. So 4 subjects she was continuously teaching, or you can say for 4 subjects she gave 3 1 by 5 hours. So what we have to find? What time did she spend on each subject? So how much time she gave to one subject we have to find. 4 is given. For 1 we will do division because it is more and we are going for lesser number. So if we going down or for lesser number we have to find, we have to divide. Students, if we are going for more numbers we will multiply, and if we are going for lesser number we will divide. So how to write the statement? Let's understand it. Total time spent in homework, that is 3 1 by 5 hours for 4 subjects. You can say 16 by 5 hours. We have changed it into improper fraction. Then we have to find time spent for each subject. Time spent for each subject. 16 by 5 divided by 4. We will divide this time in 4 subjects. So 16 by 5 and reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. 4 times 1 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So 4 by 5 hours. So therefore Mansi gave 4 by 5 hours to one subject. I hope it is clear to you what is given and what is to find. So, question number 5. Raman plays tennis 6 1 by 4 hours a week. It is saying Raman plays tennis 6 1 by 4 hours a week. If he plays 1 by 4 hours each day, this is the time for 1 week and this is the time for 1 day. So we have to find how many days out of 1 week he played. So let's understand and how to write the statement and solve the question. Raman plays tennis in 1 week, that is 6 1 by 4 hours. plays each day, that is 1 by 4 hours. So we have to find now number of days. Number of days he plays in each week, that is we will divide this total time with 1 day time. 6 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4. So first we will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 6 1 by 4, 25 by 4 divide by 1 by 4 means 5 by 4. So here we will change this symbol now. We will convert into multiplication and we will write the reciprocal of 5 by 4. 25 by 4 multiply 4 by 5. So 4 and 4 we will cut them. 5 times 1, 5 times 5 is 25. So 5. So therefore Raman plays 5 days in a week. So now it's clear that he plays for 5 days. Now question number 6. 2/3 of a tank can be filled in 17 1 by 3 minutes. There is one tank and 2/3 of it is filled, means the tank is divided into 3 parts. Only one part is left and 2 part of it is filled in 17 1 by 3 minutes. How many minutes will be required to fill the whole tank? So we have to find the time to fill the whole tank. 2/3, we will write in numeral 2 by 3 of tank can be filled in 17 1 by 3 minutes. So time needs to fill the whole tank. We will divide this time by 2 by 3rd. We will get the time for one tank, means for whole tank. So first we will convert this 17 1 by 3 into improper fraction and we will divide it with the reciprocal of 2 by 3. So here 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 2, 3 will be cut by 3 and 2 times 1, and here we will divide 52 and we got here 26. We will get 26 over there. So 26 minutes. So therefore 26 minutes will be required to fill the whole tank. I hope this is clear to you all. Thank you, kids.